My people, team of Ghana referee, hey, they don't beat. In fact, if you not see beating, hey, see how they beat referee like say he thief. If you see the, I bet start they put, see, no, if I not tell you say na referee, waiting go come your mind. No be say you go to think now, maybe he sleep with person wife, maybe he thief something. See face. No be even that one, even no be that one sef even make me shock. Teeth even remove, like the teeth fly, the beating massive. And this one wetin even cause am, according to Ghana media, they come tell us say this thing happen after wanamafu. Abeg, no be my language, understand? So anything I pronounce, make una help me, they take am like that. Yes, wanamafu mighty royals game with Bofo Aqua. Abeg, just manage. They say na from na there the thing start to, where the thing can't end up in the goalless. In fact, they say no goal. All of them, no, this one no score this, and the team now come vex. So as the referee can't blow the last whistle, can't see. In fact, area scatter. Everybody can't enter field. See beating. Now they start a beat. That's what teeth just they fly up and down like saying a rain. This one they toothless right now, so they thought to now. They say now because they disappoint them, so they don't expect that one, and now they can't carry the blame, put her on top referee. Hey, Africa get wahala. I bet when this one don't happen before, and I don't just understand us, Africa. But wait, oh, as these people blow this whistle, when they see say people don't they run after them, or maybe they don't notice, because if truly they notice say people don't they come after them, oh they for jackpot. You wetin be that girl, hair na him name sef na even japa. That girl wey they give 2 bitcoins for year, wey him head swell up. That one another referee. Una no run, una for run for una life, because see, I just wonder now how these people won't come they chop big meat. You no fit chew again. You go just, if you put her, you shift onto one side. If you tire for this side, you shift onto the other side. You feel. People, as it be now, the way this one mouth dey, I know they see any difference between this one and bus conductor. Now, so they are not the same, because at least referee suppose they cute small, you suppose they understand. But now as your teeth don't come out, bros, no try go toast another girl. You're on your own. No, see, not even think am, because it no go even happen. See, obviously these supporters. These supporters, they carry Nigeria blood inside. Una not say na only Nigeria. Nigeria no they carry lasso. Now only Nigeria get this kind of attitude. They carry am inside. Now they behave. Chineke, no, this man they seriously injure him. They injure him bad. And I beg. Now why I bring this matter? My question now be say, no security been there or waiting. Because normal level, if people they play ball, at least security or something, all those they suppose they around. I be they know they. Africa. Now this one they always bring us backwards every time. Lack of security. Even inside this one now not be country security where we need 100 guards, 200 guards. Even football pitch now, we no fit get security. See how they destroy referee face. Only Ghana, now their referees they suffer like this. No, I'm not just understand. It be like say na beating referee they reign for Ghana now. They do jackpot. This one wetin I go call her also. Because abeg, may they suspend. No, on a serious no. May they suspend that team. Very important, because my people, the next one will fit happen. Maybe person go die. May they suspend that team. Oh, I beg. Omo, this team get supporters. Oh, Charlie, this one in fact for better for worse, life and death. Now wetin they call this one? You know they mess with their team. but abeg una do am the wrong way because una go extra mile. It is a game. Na game, abeg, no be this thing wey do or die affair. It is a game. Una don go too far, abeg. And the people wey dey involved inside this thing, make una investigate the case because this one they need to be arrested. And if it's possible, sef, abeg, suspend the whole thing, sef. May everybody go rest until they have sense. How you go do person pikin like this? Biko, assuming he die now, na another matter we go start dey talk. Abeg, let's try and be careful, my people. Bros, your teeth, go put go fix am. If not, you remain ugly. Abeg, na my advice. So no say una be my people. I dey like una very well. Abeg, go fix am. If not, your own go finish. Because my people, na the matter be this one. This one dey happen straight from Ghana. Ghana referees, because make una even get meeting, because all this beating needs to stop. Because we have heard a lot of referees from Ghana where they beat them anyhow. Abeg, make una gather una self association, get this meeting so that things will change. Very, very important. Abeg, and don't forget to subscribe. If not, I wonder how you want to get interesting matters like this one. If you never comment, drop a there. I will reply on one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story. You don't get belle, oh Lord, help me. Another shooting don't take place when the boy don't say, I beg you don't. This boy don't they run from this girl like saying another person go put seed inside his stomach. People don't they look for this boy since. My people not be today matter. Where they come finally find out say ungwanu na for ligoni day. Now so this girl come trace am with the belle. Come see wahala. Now you give me this one. The boy even they tell her say why she go meet am for that side. Say why you no call her. Meanwhile this girl don't they try like they call her. No, una know how una they do men. Okay, so men. Why una go impregnate person? Why una go they do like say and another person? No, you they do like say you no know Anna. My people, I say I go bring a corn aside because this one it needs to be exposed. He needs to, in fact, he needs to take full responsibility of this young lady. As I go bring a corner aside. So I beg for now, when no know what thing happen, who are they talk about and how the whole thing shele. I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Take the salad. Take the salad. What relax. There you go, relax. How you get me now? Please. Now. They go. What are you? Why you go pick up? Let me take the baby as well. Fuck you know. I know baby inside the
Boys of nowadays. Boys of nowadays. The only thing we do in our mind now to have fun. Nothing serious. And the thing where they pay me say for this whole thing is that the girls say they see am, but they do like say they not see am. Una always they carry the way. No, see this one now. Una just see. What can this guy offer this girl? Okay, fine. Una go say no. Money not too good. Money not the important. Money no. I beg, may nobody deceive una. Money is important too. Money is important, but I did not say you should love money more than your partner. But because money is important, what are we talking? Now this type, are they very sure? Now this type will go borrow Benz from a friend so that they go impress girls, they go deceive girls. By the time you fall now, boom. No, just imagine. Just imagine waiting. No, all of now always open in a mouth. I like it raw. I like it. See what raw don't cost. You don't shoot now, you don't score. How much be condom? No, how much be condom? I just they ask because if you say some of una, you know say you not ready for something. You still they go and now the way this girl don't come now for her mind, they disgrace this boy. My sister, you're also disgracing yourself. You're also disgracing yourself. Now, why I always say, because if you are not ready to be an adult, don't do what adults do. It is as simple as that. Why not you just go buy this thing, user? See, now they bring criminals for this life. sorry to say, but now they bring criminals. Before you know, now she go born this pikin. Money no dey to take care of her. Hey, you know school. This one before you don't enter streets, you don't join other gangs, you don't start a thief, you don't start a rape. No, now from like that they start. No be from club they enter dance. Small before you know, and now we don't even know who the person don't turn to. Don't turn to one super, in fact, senior criminal. I bring this thing here so that I go teach us ladies. No matter how simple your relationship with person dey, it's very important. Know somebody in his life. See this girl now. After I carry belle, no, who she know? Even they trace the guy, they search for am, till come find am. I no just dey understand. Know somebody. You fit even go a family house, they must accept am because na you put am there. Please, ladies cannot impregnate themselves. Men, have that thing in your mind. We cannot impregnate ourselves. So whenever you do something, take full response. Una like stress for this life. This life, una really like stress. Bia, for this brother, you must accept that thing. This pregnancy, you go accept am. Very important. This girl said she's too calm. Me, I don't bring police, I don't bring anything. No, because when una dey shoot, una dey score, una dey position the girl. No, baby, put it like this. No, shift this leg. No, una you dey sweet una no remember say something go come out after that one. Under fire them, you go accept this thing, you go accept am, and you go take full responsibility, whether you like am or not. God save you, say I no be this girl sister. Me, I for buy this case from your hand. Very, very important, my people. I beg, may we learn to dey careful. It is important. Learn to dey careful. Because help me share this video so that other girls too go know say pregnancy is real. The way they talk say HIV is real. Oh, pregnancy too is real. If you're not ready to be a mother or a father, be cool. Respect yourself, as simple as that. You understand? And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss interesting matters like this. Drop your comments and una know as usual I go reply una one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.